How to share a video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share a video on your TikTok app. First thing, go to your TikTok app and choose a video that you want. Now all you need to do is click on the share icon and scroll over this list and choose the app you want to share this video to. For example, to your WhatsApp contact or to your Facebook friends, Instagram, wherever you want. Just click on it, and this is how you can choose. If you didn't find the app, just click on 3 point, which is more, and you're gonna find more apps. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.